Hello, welcome to PIA Philippine Islands Adventure. My name is Milo. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing about this ring light that I bought about a year ago. Getting ready to open only because it's getting darker now, and inside the house it's not as bright when I'm doing my vlog. Our light is not that bright inside, so it comes with this bag. This is a big bag. So it's got this really nifty shoulder strap. And also there's the handle right here. So let's open this up, okay? And that's pretty big. It's about more than 24 inches wide. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Oh, I see. So this is the one that goes around the ring, orange color. And here's the white piece of it, the power. Then here's the instruction on how it's supposed to be set up. Okay, so here is the tripod, and supposed to come all these pieces right here, and it looks like I have all of them here, right here. It's supposed to come with all of that. Okay, let me see. Put it together and I'm gonna show it to you, the finished product. Okay, I think we got it together now, so it took us a while, but there's so many pieces to it. But anyway, so I put my iPhone in there, and I choose the orange color. It also comes with clear color instead of this orange here, so we chose the orange. So there's actually three, right, Josh? Three options to brighten it, yes, to dim it, and the light. So go ahead and turn it on, Josh. This is is that the way to the top?
That's not to the top yet.
Okay, that's just a dim.
That's the dim.
And okay, go ahead and okay, that is the brightest right there. How cool is that? But it seems like it's a red, yellow light. I want the clear light, so we'll see. But anyway, turn it down, Josh. And thank you. Also, my iPad can fit in there, but right now I'm just using my iPhone and also my iPad videotaping this one. Okay, there you go. That is really cool. I love it. So you saw the picture with the orange color plastic covering. So we put together the clear plastic to cover the light. And is that the high beam? Oh, that's a low. What's the highest? Okay, so that's the highest. It's really super bright. So I think I might like this kind, or this one, instead of the orange color, because it's a lot brighter and I like the color. So anyway, that's it. And thank you so much. So I want to thank Josh for helping me out. Thank you, Josh, for helping me out. It took us a long time to finish it, but we did it. So thank you so much. Take care, guys. Bye bye now.